Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for supplements business. Suppose I am having a supplement store and to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that same lead should be added in my Google Sheets so that I could create a record without any efforts. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For that, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do, we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically create a record of our Facebook leads for supplement business by adding the details of our Facebook leads to Pabbly Connect. Now, in order to create this automation, we will have to integrate Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets, and that I am going to do with an amazing automation software, Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this homepage, we can find two options here, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now because I am already an existing user, therefore I am clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create multiple folders here in order to save our workflows. So as you can find, I have two folders over here. In this test integration folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, you can save your workflows by creating multiple folders. Now, in order to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it, and a dialog box is appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name. Add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for supplement business. Now after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save our workflows. So here I am going to select test integrations folder from the drop down. Now we will click on create, and we can find that as we do that, two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow the same command. Therefore, in every workflow, we can have only one trigger, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's understand the concept of trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. Let's say here we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action, and we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads for our supplement business, automatically the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and by using the same response, automatically a new row should be added in our spreadsheet with all the details of that lead. Okay, so here we can find that our action is the response towards our trigger. Now let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will select the trigger application, which is Facebook lead ads. And now we will select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger. So here our trigger event will be new lead instant, as we want that whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that the workflow should get start. Okay, let's click on connect. And now we will select add new connection to build a new connection with Facebook lead ads account. If you want, you can also go with your existing connection. After selecting add new connection, we have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads, and automatically our authorization has become successful. Since I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become easy, and very easily our Facebook lead ads account is connected with Pabbly Connect. So after building the connection, let's move further, and here we have to enter two details. First of all, we have to select the page and then the lead gen form associated with that page. Now, in order to understand this, let me take you to my Facebook account. And after coming here, we can find that this is my Facebook page named as Life Care Supplement Store, which I have created for my business. And now I want to promote my supplements business by using lead gen form. So I have created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that whenever a person is going to fill that form, automatically the response of that form should be captured in Pabbly Connect. But for that, first of all, we will have to connect this page and the form with Pabbly Connect. So let us first of all select the page. The name of my page is Life Care Supplement Store. So I'm going to select it. And now we will select the lead gen form. So I have multiple options. Among them, I want to select this contact form, as I want that whenever a person is going to fill this contact form, the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, otherwise not. Okay. Now after selecting the Facebook page and the lead gen form, let's click on save and send test request. And as we do that, we can find that it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission by filling up this form so that the response could be captured here in Pabbly Connect. How we are going to do that? For that, let me take you to Meta for Developers. And after coming on Meta for Developers, here we can find the option of My Apps. When we will click on My Apps, here are some more options. Among them, we have to select Tools. And it is going to take us towards developer tools. Under other developer tools, we will find the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. Let's select it. And it has taken us towards lead ads testing tool. So this lead ads testing tool is going to help us in order to test our integration. So what we are going to do, we will simply select the page and the form here in lead ads testing tool. And when we will submit the form, automatically the response of that form will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Now, because I'm not running any live campaign for my business on Facebook page, therefore here I'm going to use lead ads testing tool to test my integration. But in your case, when you will run a live campaign and then you will create your lead gen form, automatically whenever a new lead will be generated with the help of that lead gen form, the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's test our integration. First of all, we will select the page here. So my page is Life Care Supplement Store. So I will select it, and now we can find that automatically the form which is associated with this page is already selected as contact form. Now we will click on preview form to open it, but before that it is given that if you want to create a new lead, you will have to delete the existing lead first. So let us delete the existing lead from this form by clicking on this delete lead button. And as we have deleted the lead, let's just refresh this page. And once again we will select our page and the form. So this is very important step. Once we will delete an existing lead, we have to refresh this page once, and again we have to select our Facebook page and the form so that a new form could be opened in front of us. Now let's click on this preview form. So this is the form which I have created for my Life Care Supplement Store, and by using this form I'm going to test my integration. So what I'm going to do, I will simply enter the details here, and when I will submit it, the response will be captured. Because I'm doing a test submission, therefore I'm going to enter dummy details over here. So let us start with the email. Here I'm going to enter the email, let's say as testuser567@pabblytudes.com. Full name, test user, and at last the phone number. Just a random phone number. Now we will click on next. And here after entering all the details, let's submit this form. After submission, let's cross this and we will move towards Pabbly Connect. And here we can find that as soon as we have submitted the form, the response is being captured over here with all the details, email, full name and the phone number. Now because we have received this response, that means our integration is perfectly successful and we have successfully connected our lead gen form with Pabbly Connect. Now whenever a new lead will be generated with that form, automatically the response will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, now we will move further, and after receiving the response, our motive is to create a record in our Google Sheets with all the details of the Facebook leads. So this is my spreadsheet named as Life Care Supplements, which I have prepared for creating records of Facebook leads for my supplement business, and it contains the fields such as name, email and the contact. I want that whenever a new lead will be generated for my supplement business from Facebook lead ads, automatically a new row should be added in this particular spreadsheet along with all the details of that same lead. In order to do that, first of all, we will have to connect this spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, and for that we are going to move towards our action step. Now in our action application, we will simply select Google Sheets, and in the action event we will select add new row, as we want to add the data in the form of a new row. Click on connect, and now I'm going to click on add new connection to build a new connection with Google Sheets account. If you want, you can also go with an existing connection. Let's click on sign in with Google. Select the account, and now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Google Sheets account, as it is 100% safe. So let's click on allow. After doing this, we can find that our authorization has become successful. Since I was already logged into my Google Sheets account, the authorization has become very easy and successful without much efforts. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep logging to your applications before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect, as it makes the connection simple and easier. Now after building the connection, let's move further, and here first of all we will have to select the name of the spreadsheet. The name of my spreadsheet is Life Care Supplements, so I'm simply going to select the same, Life Care Supplements. Now after selecting the spreadsheet, since I have only created one sheet here in this spreadsheet, automatically the sheet 1 is selected over here. So we will directly move towards the details such as name, email and the contact which we want to add here in the spreadsheet. Now we have received all the details of our Facebook leads from our earlier response, and we are going to use the same response in order to map the data over here. So what is mapping? Mapping is just inserting our data from previous step. So here is our previous step. We will simply select it and all the details are given over here. So whatever details we want, we can simply select that and it will be mapped. Here we want to map the name. Name is given over here. Let's select it and it is mapped. Now, because we have mapped this data, automatically whenever a new response will be captured from Facebook lead ads, the data in this field is going to be replaced with a new data. That means this name is going to be replaced with a new name of a new person. But if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, wherever in the workflow we want that data should get replaced automatically, there we use mapping. And when we want that data should remain same with each and every response, there we type it manually, and that is called as static mapping. Now after mapping the name, let's move towards our next step, and here we will map the email also in the same manner. Email is given over here. We have selected it and it is mapped. At last we will also map the contact number and done. So after entering all the details, let's click on save and send test request. And we can find that we have received the response. So because we have received the response without any error, let's go and check on our spreadsheet whether a new row is added there or not. And we can find that yes, automatically a new row is added here in this spreadsheet with the same details which we have received from Facebook lead ads response: name, email and contact. So this means our workflow is perfectly successful. So let's go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So we have taken two simple steps here in this workflow: trigger and action. In trigger we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action we have taken Google Sheets, and we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads for our supplements business, automatically the details of that lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and by using the same response, automatically a new row will be added in our Google Sheets. Okay, so by following the same steps you can very easily create this automation which is going to enable you to automatically create a record of your Facebook leads for your supplement business, and that too without any efforts. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.